Hey guys, let's see today how to delete apps on your iPhone as a permanently. So guys, we have two methods. So you can select anyone from these methods to delete any kind of the apps on your iPhone as a permanently. So the first method which we can see, just pick any app which you want to delete on your iPhone as a permanently. So let me to delete for me, the feed. Just press for long and you can see over here remove app. Just go for remove app, and from guys here there are options coming delete app, and also another option is coming remove from home screen. So you guys, if you select the remove from home screen, that means it will just remove from your home screen, but it cannot delete permanently from your iPhone. So guys, if you want to delete this app as a permanently, any kind of the app permanently, just go for delete app. So if you go for delete app, deleting this app will also delete its data. That means we are going to delete this app as a permanently. Go for it guys. So so that app that is completely deleted from my iPhone. And just move on the second method which you want to also you can explore. So just go to settings, and from the settings page guy, just go to general, and from the general just go to the iPhone storage. You can see over here, just tap on it and just wait for some moment. It will list that apps. As you can see over here, there are so many the apps it is appearing over iPhone screen. So from the from here the list of apps, you can also select any one app which you want to delete as a permanently. If you go for show all, it will come like many more, and this time guys I want to delete Pinterest. Just tap on it, and now guys also you can follow the same way which I showed you earlier. If you just click on the delete app, this will delete the app and all the related data from this iPhone, and this action can't be undo because we are going to delete this app as a permanently. So if you want to delete permanently, just go for select the delete app guys. So guys, these two way you can delete any kind of the app on your iPhone as a permanently. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.